How to cancel booking on P&O Cruises and get a refund. First, you want to open the Safari application and tap on the search bar. Here you want to tap for P&O Cruises. Simply tap on it, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll be able to see your bookings over here. And if you are not logged in, you can simply tap on sign in to log in into your account. After that, you'll be able to see your bookings over here, and if you simply tap on booking, you'll see the cancel option as well. And to get a refund after your booking has been cancelled, within a few days you'll be able to get your refund too. And if that doesn't happen, you can simply tap on these three dots, and for some reason if you don't get your refund, you can simply tap on these three bars and simply tap on contact us. After that, you can contact the official P&O Cruises team. Just state your problem there, and you might get a state your problem there, and you'll be able to get your refund if your appeal is valid. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.